Hey, what up guys, welcome back. I just want to go ahead and just review this speed square that I got off of Amazon. I bought this for my projects, and what's nice is it came with a 7-inch and a 12-inch speed square. So let's check it out. And of course, before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Okay, so let's go ahead and just cut this open. That's the way it came with the packaging. Just came like that in the box, and there goes one square. So here's a 12 inch, very large, and this is where it's going to come in handy. You can just butt it up, and of course you have an entire 12 inches there to scribe. It has a scribing line. Here, let's see. So here we go. It has diamond and scribe bar, easy layout. Okay, and then this is actually, it has like an instruction booklet in there. I just gotta figure out how to take it out without messing it up. Looks like it's stapled here, so let me get that out real quick. Here you go, I got it off. So you'll see here, you have a tri-square, miter square, protractor, line scriber, and a saw guide. The nice thing about the 12-inch right here, so here we go. As far as the saw guide, what's nice is it goes all the way across the wood, at least on a 12-inch piece. So anyway, that's what's really nice. You don't have to just only go halfway or whatnot like you would like on a 7-inch. See, you have the whole piece that will cover the wood. The other great thing about it is it came with this Swanson speed square, right? It came with a little booklet on the roof construction using the 1 number method, and it has all the measurements. It talks about pitch, the valley, rafters, everything that you need to do the roofing. So this is a really great manual to have with it. And again, I'm just getting into woodworking, but I saw these squares and I actually picked up the set for, it was 17 bucks I think, or $16.99. So it was a pretty decent deal for both squares. So just check it out.